Welcome to Analytics Friday. Today I'm going to talk about segments, advanced segments, so you can know how to slice and dice your data and have a good slice of good data to have good insights in your data. Okay, so let's start to see the screen of advanced segments and advanced segments that is here, conditions and sequence. Okay. So in conditions, what you can do lots of things. So as you see, you can have all the dimensions and metrics to you. So you can put here source. Okay, you can put source here, and you're going to see what Facebook really does for the site of Google Merchandise Store. Okay, so as you can see here, you have here a preview. So 62% of users, 64 sessions. So okay, now I want to add another filter, and these sessions the same, and I have transactions. Okay, I want to know what Facebook tackles for transactions. So I will be transactions per session plus then 0. Let's see how many users and sessions we have with more than one transaction per session. So more than 0 transactions, sorry. As you can see, we have to see the preview first. Okay. So this is really practical. Okay, the conditions are very useful, and you can do all sorts of things. Don't forget that or and then are logical operators, or will return. Since one condition is true, it will return your value, and with include and exclude will do the job as well. So take care of that as well. Filtering sessions and users that are really completely different things. So take care of this. So we can imagine you can do here for users, and see we are tackling here users and sessions. So to see the difference, okay? Okay, it's the same value. Okay, so one user have at least one session with Facebook. So let's put here Google to see what kind of numbers are you getting. So you can see on the right side of the screen that you're getting more and more. Okay, so 125, it's more than one. Okay, so okay, the data here does not reflect because I have to touch again the preview button to see the data aligned with the summary view on the right side of the screen. Okay, and it's useful to see if I'm filtering the data that I want. Okay, as you can see, since I put users, Facebook and Google, it's different. Okay, you get mail, Googleplex, because yes, Google, GDeals, sites Google. So let's do a different thing. Let's do sessions. Okay, and let's see what sessions that we have here. So as you can see, it's the same session. So in this case, it does not affect, but it could affect. Okay. This is what you need to know about conditions. We have a lot of things you can do here. So you can slice and dice your data and put and see your good data, and have a good insight on your data. That is awesome. You can filter out content like referral spam out of the game as well. So in sequences are very useful. If we know something that are happening on our website and you want to filter all that scenario that we are testing. So, for instance, you have on step 1, you have here it's equal, include sessions or users, but sequence starts, it's very different. So any user interaction, it means that if at least on their session they have one interaction, the first and the middle of the end, it's any user interaction. Okay, the first it's a different thing. So we are going to put here the first user interaction, and the step 1 we are going to put like page. Okay, and landing page contains the home page. As you can see on the right, we'll be previewing all that data. Okay, so step 2, you will be events category contains enhanced e-commerce, and events action contains add to carts. Okay, and the next step is imagine no. Okay, I think it's good like it is, but we have many things that you can put here, like custom variables as well, custom dimensions. Okay, see product ID, user category, sales region. Okay, let's put sales region, and the sales region is from North America. Okay. Okay, so as you see, the data is really different. So remember, is followed by or is immediately followed by, it's quite a different thing. Okay, so is followed by, it means that in other users interaction, the user here goes to the enhanced e-commerce and does an add to cart here, and the step 3, I'm saying that he has the sales region from North America, but this should be on the beginning. Okay, so let's forget this. Okay, let's tackle the step 3. And as you can see here, you can have a filter. Okay, that you can see, add the filter and say, okay, sequence starts. You can have multiple sequence, and you can have transaction as well. Okay, transaction plus 0, so more than 0. Okay, so let's preview this and see what we get there. Okay, so as you can see, we have here conditions and sequence working really good. Okay, if I put here transaction, first user interaction, you will be like, wow, this is our first user is, or I'm trying to put this like, wow, see? So if I put home page, and then I say that is immediately followed by enhanced e-commerce and add to cart action, okay, I don't get any user. Okay, so take care of this. For different configurations or analysis that we will get, you can use both. I already use both on this sequence on advanced segments. I use both because it was really important to me to have both, was following by and immediately following. It's really important. So you can use this for campaigns, you can use this for tackling some things that are not going right, and you and you have to see the really right paths that are going to tackle this problem and how many users have this problem, okay? Or what are these very nice users that does this, that I want to do more with these other users that I have on my website as well. So repeat or and retain, or you don't care. You don't care about that users, or so we have to tackle the really right data to have a really good website and have a really good customers. Okay. See you soon, and see you on the next analytics Friday. Okay.